Welcome to Logistics website. Here is the dashboard of this website. Each segment comes under domestic, LTL or PTL. LTL less than truckload and PTL parcel truckload are freight shipping methods where multiple shipments share space in a single truck, optimizing cost and efficiency for smaller loads. Here, you can create a shipment for business purposes, whether it is B2B cargo or B2C e-commerce. You will have two options to choose from according to your requirements. For suppose, now I am going to create a shipment in B2B. B2B cargo refers to the transportation of goods between businesses, typically involving bulk shipments, supply chain logistics, and commercial freight service. Let's create one. Here, all the red asterisk marks are mandatory. The first step is to upload invoice or field it. Review them to ensure accuracy. If any information needs correction, you can manually update it. If any of the field is not there in the invoice, then you have to create a new warehouse. Clicking on the warehouse, you can create one by providing details and save it. If you try to create one warehouse which already exists, then it can't be. You have to choose warehouse from the drop-down, which are pre-registered location. Verify the fields. Enter the product details. The first one, it refers to the space a package occupies in relation to its actual weight. It is calculated as length into weight into height divided by 5000 in case of centimeter. Actual weight is the physical weight of the package measured in kilogram or pounds. Now you are in B2B mode, so you can send multiple products with different dimensions. For each product, you can select the required number of boxes based on its shape and size. According to your needs, you can add products using plus sign, and if you don't want, you can remove it by clicking on minus sign. Suppose you are shipping 2, so you select 10 boxes for 10 laptops. Monitors. Each monitor is bulkier and requires 2 boxes for in field as you have uploaded the invoice. Choose special day. Then comes to mode of payment. Difference between charges are paid by the receiver when the package is delivered. The cost of the product itself is already settled between buyer and seller. COD, the receiver pays both the product cost and shipping charges upon delivery. The payment goes to the seller who process the order. Then choose the mode of payment. Then ROV from the drop down as well. Then comes to shipment mode. Then order ready date. This is the earliest possible date. Then comes to HSN code. It is a globally used system for classifying goods in trade. It helps in identifying products for taxation, customs, and trade regulation. Provide COD amount. Here you can see your recommended delivery partner. You should choose it as rate calculator. You can see your shipment details and breakdown of the charges. Next, here the recipient GST and remarks are optional. Here now you can see shipment is created. Book your B2B shipment.